Alright, Charles, this video is for you. You've asked me what the interior looks like, right? After the carbon roof install. So, well, hopefully this video does some of that justice. I'm not sure if it's being shown properly in this camera, but I'll really try. So, here's the headliner. I think it sits perfectly well. Right, you can see, I think the video is too dark, how everything lines up, right? Damn, this gimbal is heavy. Alright, and let's see, there's no leaks. I know you asked for leaks whatsoever, but yeah, there's really no leaks at all. And here's the roof. Alright, it's dirty right now, but you know, you asked for a video of what it looks like inside, if there's any noticeable changes whatsoever. To me, everything looks good, right? So obviously I don't have a sunroof, and that's what it looks like on everything, right? So let's see. I'm gonna go on the other side so I can film the driver's side. All right. And it's gonna tilt up. There you go. I'm gonna try and do a close-up of everything. And you know, everything looks good, right? Lights work. Let's see, close up. I mean, really, yeah. I think that's all that you need from this video, is that, you know, everything works. And then I'm going to switch the camera and put it on Gecko so I can film while driving. So stay put. Alright, Charles, this video is for you, my friend. So first things first, I gotta close the garage door. So, all right. So, one of your questions is it noisy? All right. I can see myself in the camera behind me, and there's a GoPro on my right side. So let's go for a drive. We'll drive on a relatively busy highway and then on the streets, because I figured that you drive on both, right? So let's drive on the interstate first. Feels weird driving with all the camera around. All right. Hopefully my camera doesn't fall. So this is a test on my Gecko mount, and I'm hoping that it's not as noisy as I thought it would be. So yeah, I took a video earlier of, you know, the what do you call that? Lightnings? Can't remember. But yeah, of the ceiling. And you know, from as far as I can tell, it looks as if nothing happened, right? And that's oops, my phone is moving. That's a testament to IND's body shop that they use while I asked them to install the RKP carbon fiber. So we're driving on a suburb street. Hopefully both the GoPro and camera are capturing the noise inside the car. And I'm driving in comfort mode. So let me drive in sport mode. I don't think it makes a huge difference, except when I'm accelerating. But since we're going to treat this as a normal drive, right, then there's really nothing to change as far as my driving behavior is concerned. hopefully you get a sense of what road noise feels like, or what it is like, right? So now we're going back home. So we drove over the interstate, highway, and suburban streets. So again, if you're watching this video, we're driving in sports mode. So let me switch in comfort mode now going home. Give you what the difference is. And I'm on automatic mode now too. So I won't be accelerating as much. This is called headliner. There you go. Yeah, the headliner is perfect from what I can see. So Charles, if you're going with IND to do the installation for you, I'd highly recommend